Welcome back to Prognosis EMR. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to link CPT and HCPCS codes with lab, radiology, consult and procedure tests and DME orders directly from the order sheet screen. First, let's go over some preconditions for this scenario. The patient's insurance company must be EDI enabled. To check this, navigate to the Insurance Master screen through Settings, Configuration, Insurance, and select the insurance company from the search list. If the words Pre-Auth EDI enabled are displayed in red, then the selected insurance is EDI enabled. If no keywords are displayed, click on the Extra Info button, select the ePreauth checkbox, enter a Pre-Auth payer ID, and click OK. You then need to raise a setup request to the interface team. Once they complete the ePreauth setup, the words Pre-Auth EDI enabled will be displayed on the insurance master for that insurance. Next, the selected encounter type must be one that requires authorization. To check this, navigate to the Encounter Types Master screen, select the encounter type that requires a pre-authorization request, select the Requires Authorization checkbox, and click Save. Now, create an appointment for your patient. To do so, navigate to the Appointment Schedule screen from Appointments Schedule and click on an appropriate appointment slot. Enter the patient's name, select them from the list, and associate the case number with the appointment from the Case Number dropdown. Select the RFA-enabled encounter type you set up earlier, and verify if the name of your EDI-enabled insurance appears next to the insurance label. Once that's done, click on Schedule. The scheduled appointment will then be displayed on the Appointment Schedule screen. When the patient arrives at the clinic, mark them as arrived from this screen or from the home page and navigate to the Encounter screen. Here you can see the patient's EDI-enabled insurance and the RFA-enabled encounter type in the patient band at the top. Navigate to the order sheet in this encounter and select the desired tests from the left side of the screen to add them to the right. For this demonstration, let's select one lab test and one radiology test for this encounter. Tests without any associated CPT or HCPCS codes will have a CPT HCPCS hyperlink displayed for them. Click this hyperlink to open the Assign Codes CPT HCPCS pop-up, and then click on the Add CPTs HCPCS button. This button invokes the standard search pop-up where a maximum of 10 CPT, HCPCS, or SNOMED codes can be selected at one time. Search and select the required codes from this pop-up, and confirm your selections by clicking OK. The search pop-up will close, and the selected codes will appear in the Assign Codes CPT HCPCS pop-up. Click OK and close the pop-up. The test is now updated with the selected codes. Repeat these steps for all other tests in the order sheet. To manage and view codes, click More to see additional codes and Less to minimize the list. You may also hover over the codes to see its details in a tooltip. Any unwanted codes can be removed by clicking the cross mark next to them. Once you're done, click the Save button to save and associate the selected codes to the test. The CPT HCPCS hyperlink remains enabled after this step to allow the addition or removal of codes even later. If you are ordering DME in the encounter, click on the DME button on the screen. Enter the name of the DME and select it. If CPT HCPCS codes are not associated with the DME from the master screen, an Add CPTs button will appear to the right of the diagnosis field. Click this button to open the Assign Codes CPT HCPCS pop-up and follow the same steps to assign codes as you did for other tests. The DME will be updated with the selected codes displayed to the right of the Add CPTs button in light blue. If there are multiple DMEs in your encounter, you will need to select each DME individually and repeat the steps to add the CPT HCPCS codes for them. To remove any of the selected codes, select the desired DME, click on the Add CPTs button, and deselect the unnecessary codes. Click the Save button to save and associate only the selected codes to the DME. After finalizing the selection, close the item's DME pop-up. The selected codes will be displayed on the right-hand side of the order sheet. After finalizing the selection of codes for all your tests, click on the Create Order button to create your orders. The CPT HCPCS hyperlink becomes disabled for all tests, indicating that no further changes can be made to the codes associated with the tests. You can now complete the pre-authorization workflow by navigating to the pre-auth tracking screen and sending the tests for pre-authorization via EDI. You can also receive notifications each time a CPT HCPCS code is added to tests from the order sheet. To do this, navigate to the User Role Master screen through Settings, Configuration, User Role, select the user from the Medics pop-up, and select the checkbox for the added CPT Order Master user role. Click on Save to assign this user role to your selected user. Next, navigate to the Properties Master screen and search for the Events.Supported property in the Properties search pop-up. Click on the search icon to view the list of supported events and ensure that the supported event 266 is selected in this property. Now, whenever a CPT HCPCS code is added to a test from the order sheet, a system notification will automatically be sent to Messages inbox for users assigned to this added CPT Order Master user role. To view this notification, go to Messages in, select the Notification Radio button and look for the message with the subject, Added CPT's HCPCS codes to the test from order sheet. You can click on the system hyperlink within the message to view information about the added CPT HCPCS codes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more help, please reach out to the Prognosis support team at support@bismaticsinc.com.